Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I am here live in my kitchen. Hello, people. I'm waiting for the humans to show up in my kitchen, but so far there's only 2 dogs and a Lauren. And a Jamie on the telephone. Hey, Jamie.
I'm here. I'm always the first one here.
Jamie, you are. Are you in the room and also on the telephone?
I am here and ready to roll.
She's ready to roll. We have Lauren. How you doing, Lauren?
Good.
For those of you who remember the live the other night, Lauren escaped. She flew the coop on her birthday. She moved out, and she is already back because she misses us so much. Yep. Right?
Yes.
Last night was her first night in her new pad. How'd it go?
Fine. I'm ready to move back.
She's ready to move back. Good. We're ready to have you back. Tonight, all right, let me just give you a rundown of what's going to happen. I am making a banana cream pie protein freeze. It's just as it sounds. It's a frozen drink that contains protein. It tastes like banana cream pie. I'm using my blender. I have a lot of fun ingredients here. As usual, I will be giving away some great prizes like these Hungry Girl measuring spoons. These are really a hot ticket, aren't they? Doesn't everybody want these spoons? Oh wait, they are, but then last time I made a mistake and I said that Regina gave Dana her spoons. It was really Amanda from Newburgh that gave Dana her spoons. So I was making Regina more generous than she actually is. So Regina, in order to live up to this generosity thing, you've got to send Dana something, like anything. What do you have? A sports bra? I don't know. Anyway, I'm giving away spoons tonight. Whoever wins these, I encourage you to keep them because they're amazing. I'm giving away a piece of art that I made a couple of hours ago. It says, "This shake is bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. This shake is bananas." It's cute, right? You could win this. It says, "Do the right thing." I remembered to sign it. Who is here? Still trying, da-da-da. I love the spoons. All right, if you want to win, how you have to win is you should interact with us. Say nice things. If you say mean things, it doesn't really happen very often, but we're not going to give you a prize. We're also giving away, right, Jamie? We know. But we're giving away another prize that's amazing, and I don't want to sell this short because it's incredible. This is a coupon book that we have in our hot little hands from our friends at B&G Foods, and they are the parent company for Green Giant, who makes all the incredible vegetables that we love. They're a partner of ours. They are not sponsoring this live, but they were nice enough to give us these coupon books that are filled with tons, and I mean tons, like 35 coupons for fully free products, all free. So you could, in theory, go to your supermarket, forget your credit card, leave it at home, don't leave it in the car in case there's some unsavory people in the parking lot. Leave your credit card at home, go into the store with your booklet and get 35 free products. You put them all in your cart or your wagon, as my mom used to say, and then take it up to the checkout stand and not pay a penny. Is that true?
It's true.
Okay, so if you want to win that, let us know you want the coupon book, or if you just would rather have this sparkling piece of art, you could say, "I like the art, keep your coupons." Or you might want to win the spoons. Again, tell us what you want. Also, you could share this video. Everyone who shares is also eligible to win a prize. And also, you can answer my trivia questions, which never really have real answers. Although tonight, I think they do. I think my trivia questions have good answers. So are you guys ready? Someone said they love my shirt. Thank you. It says Wild Child, and it has a big wheel on it. Who had a big wheel when they were like 3? Me. Do you know what a big wheel is, Jamie?
Absolutely. I think it was pink.
You had a pink big wheel? I had one that was
so.
these colors. I just thought that the handlebars look like bananas, don't they?
They do.
They kind of do. So this is me. This is me trying. Okay. You love the spoons. You love the this. You love the that. All right. I'm gonna go. I'm not recapping anything because I have not started yet. But I'm gonna go over some of the ingredients that you need for this recipe. The very last thing you're gonna need is a graham cracker. One little sheet, like a quarter of that sheet, and you're going to crush that up. This is going to be our topping for our banana cream pies protein freeze. So I've already done that. I did the hard work. I crushed up the graham cracker. Other things you'll need, this is Almond Bree's banana milk. If you don't know what this is a superstar product that you should get your hands on because it's incredible. It's made with real bananas and it's almond milk. It's completely dairy free and it's delicious. If you happen to not have that item, you could use this. It won't be as banana-y, but you can make your shake with this because we are also using a real banana. My banana tonight has been frozen. This is a half a banana, half of a medium banana, which is like a third of a cup. I cut it into coins. It's in a cloudy bag. And I've been keeping it in my frozen vegetables so it doesn't melt. Isn't that smart? I have some, very smart. I have some cinnamon, I have some sweetener, I have some xanthan gum. I have, I'll talk about that in a minute. I've got some vanilla extract and of course my Terra's Way bourbon vanilla protein powder that I absolutely love. Okay, so I'm gonna start, but before I start, I'm gonna ask my first trivia question of the night, and I wanna know if you know why bananas are curved. Why are they curved? They're not just trying to be pretty, they're not just trying to be cool, there is a reason why they're curved. Let me know if you know, and you could win a prize. All right, so we're starting off with protein powder, 2 tablespoons. So the scoop that comes in this little canister is 2 tablespoons, but I'm using my actual Hungry Girl tablespoons because they're cuter than the scoop. So I have 2 tablespoons of protein powder, bourbon vanilla. Next, I am going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. You could use less if you don't like super cinnamony flavors, but I love cinnamon. Jamie, are you a cinnamon? Oh, you eat cinnamon on everything.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Everything. And it's so good for you. Is anyone answering that question? Does anyone know why bananas are curved?
Someone just said that's the way they grow. Someone said it's easier for the monkeys to carry.
Well, both of those things are true. They do grow that way, and monkeys can carry them, I guess, because they're curved. All right, next is xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is like a thickener. It's a stabilizer. You can use it in baking, but if you use it in shakes, it's a game changer. It's going to make your shakes and your coffee drinks that you blend with ice have the best texture ever. It's going to even make them seem a little creamier. So we love the xanthan gum. And I have 2 sweeteners. I'm using Truvia. These are natural. I also like to use Swerve packets, but use 2 of those. And do you hear that crunching? Like Lolly is totally crunching. She's so funny. She's being so loud. I hear like a dog crunch. This is vanilla extract. I am going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of this. Beautiful.
You're getting it right.
They're getting it right.
You're getting it right.
Why do bananas curve? Lauren says you're getting it right. The bananas are curved because they grow towards the sun. Now, if you're out there and you're like, bananas don't grow underground, do they? No, they don't. They're usually on trees. And they grow towards the sun. So there it is. And a banana is a berry. Did you know that? It's not even like it's a berry. Yes. So I want to dissolve this in 3 ounces of hot water. There's a lot of commotion here by the sink. I have to tell you, there's a lot happening by my sink. I need 3 ounces. I need cooking glasses, not cooking classes. Cooking glasses. All right, there's my 3 ounces of hot water. I'm going to save my measuring cup, and now we're going to dissolve this. So this, if you remember, maybe you weren't paying attention, but it doesn't matter because we're going to give you the recipe. This is the 2 tablespoons of protein powder with some vanilla, some cinnamon, a couple of sweeteners, and the xanthan gum. And that smells pretty good, actually.
Looks good.
It looks good, but don't drink it. It's not ready. It's
So
Friday.
You can make it without the xanthan gum if you don't have it?
Yeah, if you don't have the xanthan gum, you could totally make it because there is an ingredient here that's going to really help with the texture, and that is the frozen banana. So that's going to do the trick. So you're fine. But get the xanthan gum because it's life-changing. And we're going to link you to some of the ingredients. So is everybody, like, what's going on? I haven't been live on a Friday night in a while because it's Friday night, but what's everybody doing? Anything fun? This. All right, what's everyone else doing? The people that are not home. All right, next up, I'm going to use my banana breeze, as I like to call it, 1/2 cup, 4 ounces. So if you don't have this specialty item, you should get your hands on it if you can. Get it at a lot of supermarkets in the refrigerated section. It does not come in shelf stable like the other almond breeze. But if you don't have it, you could substitute that. Don't feel bad. Okay, so that's in the blender. Next we have the frozen banana. Should I ask another trivia question?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do it. Lauren's really eager for this. There are wild bananas in the wild, but the bananas that we eat are sort of tame bananas. But wild bananas have what in them that our tame bananas don't have? Does anyone know?
This is fascinating. I don't know.
It is fascinating. Oh, I did a lot of research today. Today was a big research day. I spent like at least 10 minutes. Actually, all of my banana facts came from one article on bananas. All right. You're a good audience, Jamie. All right, next, I'm gonna use my fancy ice, and I use 1.5 cups of this ice that goes into the blender. This is like a heaping cup. I have that crazy pellet ice that you can get at Sonic, or you can get, Jamie, you have a pellet ice countertop machine. I've got like one of the,
I love it.
they're great. Yeah, I have like the machine that's built into my counter, but you can get one that's on the countertop. All right, so this is everything in here with 1.5 cups of ice. Hopefully I forgot no ingredients. That happens sometimes. Now we're gonna blend it in my bullet. Is anyone answering that last question? That was tricky. Remember, we're giving away a coupon booklet valued at like a lot of money. Can you hear me while I talk to the window? This blends pretty quickly because I have a super bullet and I have good ice. If you have bigger cubes, it might take you a little longer. Okay. Wow, look at the texture of that. This is really gorge. It's really beautiful. I'm gonna pour this in. This whole thing has 181 calories. This is a 6-pointer on all the plans. Woo! Okay, there's a little extra you can give to a friend, or you can just drink it out of the blender. Now I like to top this with, this is my like whipped cream in a can of choice. It's fat-free Ready Whip. 2 tablespoons of that, roughly. And now to make this really feel like a cream pie, wait, I'm gonna have to take a selfie. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. While Jamie's on the phone, I can't. Maybe I can. All right, so you top it with you don't even need to use the whole graham cracker, or you can mess up your countertop with this. Look how pretty it is. Gorgeous. Is anyone at home making this? It's dripping.
I think they will be. I know Regina was freezing bananas earlier.
Regina, hold on. Jamie, hopefully I won't disconnect you. Regina's always freezing bananas. I heard that she's like the main banana freezer in America. Like the number in the top 10. All right, I took some selfies. And I have my shake all over my hands. Okay, do we know what bananas are full of? The wild bananas that our bananas are not? Lauren guessed sugar, but that's not true. The answer...
Is it seeds?
It is seeds, yes. Wild bananas are full of seeds. I thought that was interesting, but I have more interesting banana questions. I'm not letting you go yet, and then I'll recap the recipe. So when I'm washing my hands with the leftover ice, classy. When is banana season? When is banana season? When? Do you know when, Jamie, do you know when banana season is?
I thought it was year round.
Well, that could be an answer that you just gave away, honestly. But is there a banana season, or is it year round? Is it like, you know, look at this. Look at this, it's just like dripping everywhere. It's like crazy. I think the whipped cream like displaced everything. All right, banana season is year round. So keep guessing because I have yet another question. I'm gonna really stump Jamie with this one. So there are some bananas that are red. They are red bananas. And what do they taste like? What do red bananas taste like? They taste a little like banana, but they also taste like other things. What are those other things?
That's my guess.
Jamie's actually guessing. Wow. Why don't you type your answer in like everybody else?
You tried to stump me. I felt compelled to answer.
She's so competitive. Oh boy. All right. so you keep guessing, and I'm gonna recap what was in this fine recipe. So I started out with just my tall glass, and in that glass I had 2 tablespoons of protein powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 2 sweeteners, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Was there anything else in that? A vanilla, a little bit of vanilla extract. Then I put 3 ounces of hot water in there and I dissolved it. Then I put that in my blender with half of a frozen banana, which is approximately 1/3 cup, and then 4 ounces of my banana breeze and 1.5 cups of ice. Then I blended that to perfection, put it in a tall glass, topped it with my fat-free whip, and then made a mess on my counter after I put the cookie crumbs on top. So what do you think? Does it look good? It looks good. All right, what do the red bananas taste like? What are people saying?
We got strawberries and we got raspberries.
What is
And
it?
vanilla. Someone said vanilla.
Wait, are more people saying one, strawberries or raspberries?
I think I saw raspberries more.
That's right. Tastes like raspberries.
Wow.
The red,
Try one.
I know, where do we get them?
That sounds so good.
I want a red banana. Why have we been, how come nobody sends us red bananas? They send us everything else. All right, what else? Do you guys have any questions? I'll be back next week. I have more shakes, but I also have dips. I have some fun dips next week, so I will be back making dips live. I will not be live this weekend, but I'll probably be back on Monday.
Lisa, where do they get these recipes?
They can get all the recipes, all of you guys, if you want these recipes that I make on Facebook, just go to hungry-girl.com/live, and they are all there. And you should be signed up for the daily emails. If you don't get the daily emails, hey Betsy, sign up please. And if you're in the audience and you want to tell your peers, your other hungry girl friends why you like the emails, let us know, because I think they would appreciate that. But you should sign up. You can listen to our podcast. There's a lot of Hungry Girl all the time. And again, tonight, you have the chance to win these spoons, the art, and the fantastic coupon book with 35 free, fully free products. So this is a big day, right?
Huge.
Huge.
I'm commenting. I want to win.
I might be able to, I know people, I might be able to get you one, Jamie. All right, I think I'm gonna wrap things up. It's Friday night. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe, be happy. I am Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew the right thing.